Optimize your laptop for gaming. Part 2. First of all, you have to disable background apps. How? Search for local group policy and then click on that. Then go to administrative templates and click on window components. Then go to apply policy. Then click on that. Then enable it. Then go to user is in control and click on force deny. Then apply it all. Now, this will stop all your windows to run applications in the background. Number 2, system configuration. First, search the system configuration or search for it. Click on system configuration, click on boot, and then go to advanced options, and then click on number of processors and choose the maximum number of processors available on your laptop. Then click OK. Now this will enhance your boot uptime and your Windows in the long run. Subscribe our channel.